Okay, welcome back to JoinCoder. Today we talk about Laravel API more. As you know, API we have many styles to create it. So today I will create with HTTP form post. Okay. As the previous video, I have a guideline in here to make you too easy to understand, and I will explain step by step to create it. And what is the reference for this video? I want to create a request token with HTTP asForm post like this. So let's go to our project. First, we need to create a project in here. So let's copy and then open Visual Code. And the project name you can put whatever, so I can Laravel API. Okay, and then cd Laravel API clear. Now we have a project in here, and I need to configure something as the previous, and like db API ep02 episode 2 for API, my password, and also I need to wallet link. Let me check here. Yep, so I need to create wallet link API post. Yeah, now I need to copy here into this app URL, and then just open it. Okay, now it's work. On next step, we need to add the password into our project. So let me add into here. Okay, because this lock, so you can delete this file and then pass again. Clear. Then you can check our database we can create if we don't have. So open tool here and then create PHP artisan migrate. Yep, so we can check our table into here. Then we need to install passport, yeah, in here, and then auto generate. After that, we need to config in model user. We need to add the passport, so I need to copy in here to change in my model. Remove symptom and add the passport just like this, and config get in here as okay in get here. And then I need to have a base controller. This base controller, I need to return two function and send response and error response. Okay, let's to create. So let's check here API base in here. So I need to copy here to pass here. Why I need this? Because I want to custom the response, have the success and with the data result and message and code numbers. So you can custom the success to what your status or something else. Okay, and then I need to create a register. I need to create in part API and auth. Okay, after I have in here, I need to have a function for register, but okay, and then that copy register in here, pass into here, and in the register I need to have a request register, so php artisan, yes. So I have request in here. In request I need to return true, and I need to check email require, and password also require. So I need to import register request, yeah, from here. And also I need to import user. Actually I have import in here, so I can copy all of this and then check and request here. Okay, need to import request here, and user log. Okay, log I don't use, and then base controller I need to extend from base controller in here, because I want to get my response here, send response message. Okay, so let's to clone there. It's like this. First we need to db, because we want to commit. When the error we need to roll back, mean we want to delete. And if catch, I have try catch in here save, and then after save we will return successfully to create. Okay, so if I want to test this register, I can add route, delete all of this, route pass controller registers controller, yeah, and then class register my function here, yeah, to close it, and then register. So let's do postman, new collection eb02, yeah. So I need to have request pause, so login, sorry, register, and I need to copy link from here /API and registers. So you can check here. What we need is name, email, password. So I need to header, sub application JSON, and body in here, name, email, password, 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, I have created success, and then you can open table in here. So if I create a new more, it will error like this, right? So this one I don't want to return a mistake like this. I want to move in here, return error, send error, send error in here. Yeah, file, Yeah, change status like this. This message return fail error. Okay, and then if you want to test another more as 16H example, you can get a new ID and create successfully. Okay, let's to create a login. I need to have controller login. In here, yeah. So in controller request here, okay, here you also can follow in here return Unix also. Okay, in controller login, I need to import as before, and then I have two functions in here. Okay, let me copy function first, and also need to have a request. Login request. Okay, import, and need to import HTTP and best controller. I don't need this one because I have created another path, and then best controller you need to extend from the best controller. It's like this, and the function is for refresh token. So I will explain you step by step, but now I need to create this one more, is request refresh token. Okay, I need to delete this one and try again. Enter. It will auto import in here. Okay, so copy request here into here, yeah, and delete all of this. So I have two functions. One is login, so I log in with HTTP asForm, and as my reference, it is from Laravel library in here. So, and I need to have a refresh token in here, and when we create user successfully, we will return type, token type, and expire in. And one more thing is token and refresh token. Why we need refresh token? Because when we have projects, we need to have refresh token. When token expire, we need to refresh token. That's why I need to create API have refresh token in here. Let you to understand, and go back to log in here, log in, and log in controller in here, log in. Okay, yeah, log in here, and in this we have a username and password. Follow guideline here. We now need email, but we need username. So in request we need to open it and return here username require, password require. Okay, so let's go back to our postman and then create a new link, request post login. Okay, and copy link here, pass to here, login. Sorry, not yet enter. And I need to a sub application JSON when I return, and body form data a username, and I put here password 234. Okay, so if you show client ID is required, that's why I need to follow with the project, and I need to explain you step by step. The parameter in here we need to generate by passport key. So in my guideline in here I have artisan client passport, yeah, and then here you can put whatever and user. This we generate new one, and the ID here I need to copy into env. Example, I pass here and copy in here into this one, and ID is number 3. Yeah, so if you have a generate a new one like learn user, you can copy in here, and then here is number 4. Okay, if you follow my guideline here, all is working, but I want to explain you step by step. That's why sometimes I need to write by my hand, like a request. Actually I keep with another folder like here auth folder, yeah, auth slash login request, but in here I just write indirectly into here. So you can follow my guideline. If you have any issue, please let me know. Okay, but I need to explain you why we need to have a token here. Token here, actually we have expire time and reset time 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 day, 10 day, whatever. We need to refresh token in here. When refresh token, we will have a new token. That's why we need to have the function. So let's to create a route for refresh token. Okay, log in my function in here, and here is refresh. Okay, so refresh, you can refresh or refresh token like this, and then this function actually have required in here, so we can, okay, let me close all of this and open login. You can see here what we need is refresh token, okay, from request. So in here we need to require like this, and then here return true. And after we have this already, we can post in postman. For test, I need to create a new one as request post refresh token. Okay, and refresh token, my parameter we need to have sub application JSON, and body I have request token, refresh token. So what is refresh token? I need to copy from my auth token in here and input to here. Okay, we have a new token. If you copy wrong refresh token, you will get error like this, invalid token refresh. Okay, so you need to log in again and then copy refresh token into here, and then you will get a new token in here. Example, you commit again, if we invoke mean it will clear already expire, so we can copy the new one into refresh token like this. I hope you can understand, and if you have create a project, you will need this one. I ever find this solution many times to get refresh token with a password, but not successfully. So here is my example for easy to understand, so you can follow all my structure here. If you have any problem, you can let me know. Thank you. Bye.